Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I am so happy that you joined me. Today we're going to make an accordion-styled book with pockets and tags out of a 12 by 12 piece of paper. So let's begin. But first, wait, a shout out to, I'm not sure if it's Avelina or Aveline. I'm sorry if I'm butchering that. Pam, Susan, Michelle, and Vicki, I appreciate each and every one of you. Okay, now let's begin. Here is my 12 by 12 piece of paper, double-sided. It is Tim Holtz out of his one of his paper books. And we are going to come up 1.5 inches. You're going to have to decide which way you want this. I believe I want mine to go this way. So I am going to do 1.5 inches, and I am using this ruler to help me because sometimes I can't even tell which line I'm supposed to be on without a little bit of help. So I'm believing it's this one. Let's see if that's right. 1.5 inches right here, 1.5 inches, and let's score it because we are going to be folding it. There we are. Now let's go ahead and fold that up. With the help of our score, we can do that easily. And next what we're going to do is we are going to fold this in half. So let's fold this in half. Okay. I could just score it. It would probably make it easier. There we are. Now let's do a little better job than that. It wasn't a very good job. It still wants to pop out. Okay, now we're going to fold it in half again this way. So you're going to take half of it and you're going to fold it back on itself again. Just like that. And then we're going to do the same with this one. Now, I like to use the heavier cardstock here because I just like it sturdier. Personally, I like it sturdy. So now I'm going to fold it back as an accordion like this. So this is our accordion, just like that. So you've got your folds up here. And these are going to be your tags that are going to go inside your pockets. So let me see where my prototype here. I cut it off at 5, right in half. So I am going to mark this at 5 right here. And I'm going to take it to my guillotine and I'm going to cut this in half so that this part it's going to turn out to be my pockets. So I'm going to use my whole 12 by 12 piece of paper. So hang on just a second. All right, you guys. I have my tags right here, all folded to the size that I need. And I have my booklet right here. So now what I need to do is I need to get my thumb notch. Where is my thumb notch? It was right here. Oh, great. Okay, that took me a few minutes to find my thumb notch. Yeah, well, anyway, I've got my thumb notch now. So now we're going to take our accordion style book, and we're going to kind of have to manipulate it a little bit to get it to be easy to put together and to take apart. And I want that to be the front right here. Just manipulate it just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and kind of rough up the sides a little. Even that will help a great deal. Just like that. Okay, that's going to be my front. I'm going to open it back up, and I'm going to put a thumb notch in between my folds right here where my little pockets are. I'm going to just kind of eyeball it. Hopefully I'll do a good job. There we go. I've got my little pockets now that have a thumb notch out of them. Now I'm going to ink around, and then I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, I was playing around while I was inking that, and I was thinking, well, maybe it would be pretty to have it this way. I'm kind of thinking I like this side to be the outside. So it's totally, I turned it kind of like inside out. Instead of having it this way, I think it looks better this way. It's more contrast. And I like that. I like the way that looks. So that means I need to ink this real fast here, because obviously that wasn't done when I was doing it the other way. Yes, I do like it that way a great deal. So now what I would like to do is I am going to open it up, and I am going to literally sew all the way around, and then I'm going to close it back like this, and I'm going to sew down each pocket just like that. All right, you guys, I have sewn all the way around, and we can close it back up just like that. I still think I'd like to manipulate it just a little bit more. Oh, I'm loving it. Okay, so now we need to use the rest of our papers to make our tags that go inside. So let's cut where we have folded so that we can get our tags. And we're going to have to kind of trim it a little bit just because we have sewn it and so made the pocket smaller on both sides. There's one tag. Now we can put it in this way, or we could put it in this way. However way, that's what I'm trying to say, whichever way you'd like to put it in. And of course the ones on the ends are going to be a little narrower. I don't know why they're narrower, but mine are narrower on the ends. I have no explanation why, but they are. And so we're using up that 12 by 12 piece of paper, and we are making us a beautiful tag holder. A little bit more. Well, that one's a little small. That's not folded it exactly in half or something. I'm not sure. All right, you guys, we've got our tags in there. Now let me show you one that I decorated. Mine looks like this. It's a different piece of paper from the Tim Holtz book, but I decided to put this tag with the butterfly on the tag, the decoration on the tag, and this one I put it on the pocket and just left this one plain. I did sew around each one and inked it, and so this one, the decoration, is on the tag, and this one, the decoration, is down below on the little pocket part. Oh, you guys, I had great fun, and I hope that you had great fun too, and that you'll join me in my next video. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye now.